How to change your TikTok username. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I'll show you the way as to how you can change your username on TikTok. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the TikTok application, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. So now in order to go ahead and then simply actually change the username, tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, tap on the button that says edit profile over here, and you can see this is my current username. To change this, tap on edit profile by the way. Once you tap on edit profile, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options over here. Just go to the one that says username to change it. Keep in mind that once you go ahead and then cross out this username and then you enter the new username that you might want to use, you have to tap on the save button which is at the top right corner if the username is available. But you also want to keep in mind that once you change the username, you will not be able to change it for the next 30 days, which means that there is only one limitation within 30 days period of time that you can go ahead and then change your TikTok username, not more than that. So just keep that in mind, and hopefully this video helped answer your question as to how you can change your username on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.